Hello everyone, okay, here we are in our phase of practice. Here I have, okay, a model of a paragraph through which I'm going to explain, okay, the previous theoretical points about the paragraph, okay, definition, paragraph length, and also the different parts of the paragraph, okay, in general. As you see here, my paragraph is entitled Hobbies. The topic is hobbies. So, hobbies have many important benefits. First, they are enjoyable and entertaining. Stop. While we practice them, we get rid of boredom and routine. Some hobbies are very useful as we learn from them many new things like reading and historical tourism. In addition, they contribute to the growth of our minds as well as our bodies, such as sports and chess. Finally, all these advantages make hobbies an essential part of our daily life. Now, as you see here, we have this paragraph, which is a model, okay, or an example of a simple, okay, form of paragraph. As you see, the form is a block form. Here we left our space of indentation, right? This line represents the margin, right? And this one, okay, is the end of the page on the right. So here must always indent, right, our paragraph, leave a space, nearly 5 spaces, okay, when you use the key tab in the keyboard, and you start writing, okay, your first sentence. You keep writing even if the sentence, okay, is over or ends. You have to keep writing till you reach, okay, the end of the page. Here also you continue writing, okay, till the end of, okay, the page on the right. Here also, here also, here also, here also, until you reach, okay, the last word in your paragraph. And here, as you see, we have that block form. It's one block, okay, which starts with an indentation space. Good. Now this is concerning the form. Now we'll see, as you see, that we have here a group of sentences. A group of sentences which are related, okay, as they discuss one topic, which is hobbies. All of them are about the same topic, which is, right, hobbies. So these sentences are related, okay, in terms of sharing, okay, the discussion of the same topic, right. So in this way they are united or unified in terms of theme, right. And also there is a kind of a flow of ideas. Every sentence, okay, leads to the next one. Okay, and every sentence serves the next idea. Okay, there is a kind of flow of ideas, that linearity, okay, in expressing the ideas, okay, and our sentences. And here we see that they are coherent. Okay, there is no interruption, no detours, okay, no insertion of any external topic. All of them are always about hobbies and their benefits. Good. Now, also concerning the length of the paragraph, as you see, I have nearly 6 sentences. And whenever I start a new sentence, I capitalize my first word, okay, and continue my reading. And I do this for every new sentence. Alright. Now, sometimes I don't use even, okay, sequencers, but we said that the English language is based on subordination, not coordination. These are related in terms of meaning without any use even of, okay, these sequencers, which are not always compulsory. Okay, always compulsory. We have to use them, okay, to keep the coherence, okay, and the order of ideas, but not necessarily at the beginning of every sentence. All right, good. So here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Nearly 7 lines, okay. The average length of paragraph is between normally 5 to 10 lines. As you see, it is an exemplary model, okay, for the length of an academic paragraph. Academic paragraph. Now, concerning the different part of the paragraph, here I started with my first sentence, which includes the topic, hobbies, right? And also limits it, as hobbies is very large, broad topic. We can talk about types of hobbies, we can talk about requirements of hobbies, and many other points, or angles within this topic. But I specified my topic, and limited it, and narrowed it down, to focus mainly, to discuss mainly, develop mainly one specific and single idea, which is benefits. Benefits. So here, the first sentence, which is my topic sentence, as you see here, starts with capital letter and ends with full stop. Here, I must include in this first sentence of my paragraph the keyword or keywords of the topic, and also the word of the specific idea with which I limit the broad range or scope of my topic. Alright, of my topic. If you want to write a paragraph about drugs, you have to mention drugs in the first sentence. Alright, and narrow it down. Drugs, for example, and their reason. Drugs and their effects. If you want to talk about cars and their types, also you have to mention the cars in the first sentence. And also types of cars, to limit, the wide range of your topic. Then, after this topic sentence, it is a sentence, as you see. It means it contains, or it must contain a subject plus a verb, at least one subject or one verb. It must be a sentence, alright, a complete sentence, not a fragment, not a phrase, not a title. It must have the form of a sentence. An English sentence, we have seen different structures of a sentence. So here apply the rules and the patterns you have learned in your previous lessons. Then after the topic sentence, we move on to our, so it is my topic sentence. Starts from hobbies, and ends in benefits. After topic sentence, here comes the development, of the topic and its main idea. Here, for example, I start discussing, I start explaining, I start detailing, right, what I mentioned in the first sentence, what I promised my reader in the first sentence. Here, explain it, I detail it using explanation, detail, examples, and so on. Alright, but usually here we should raise 3 or 4 or even 2 major ideas to develop. In this paragraph, I have come up with 3 main ideas, or 3 main details about these benefits of hobbies, about this topic. First, they are enjoyable and entertaining. It's number 1, clear. Then explain. Whenever I introduce one major idea, I explain it, I reinforce it with some kind of details, explanation, examples, and so on, When we practice them, we get rid of boredom and routine. Some hobbies are very useful. Also, number 2, of the benefit. First benefit is what? Is enjoyable and entertaining. Second benefit of hobbies is what? Useful, as we learn from them many new things, like reading and historical tourism. Here, I accompany to details of benefits, some examples, as you see here, right? In addition, they contribute to the growth of our minds. Here, growth of our minds as well as our bodies. Here, my third benefit and my third major idea. This is number 2. This is number 3. So each time I must explain and detail one of my major ideas and reinforce it with explanation, examples, and so on. till I reach, as you see here, okay, there is no insertion of emotions or feelings. I like, I don't like them, I hate them, I love them so much, and so on. These are mere facts about the benefits. Okay, here I try to inform my reader about the benefits which I find, okay, when practicing these hobbies. Alright, these hobbies. Then we go on to our last part of the paragraph. So these are starting from here till finally here. These are my supporting sentences. Okay, all this part. Then we reach our last sentence, which is the concluding sentence. As said before, finally here to signal, okay, to inform the reader that it's our conclusion, okay, about the whole paragraph. So in academic writing, when we conclude, we don't bring in a new idea, okay, anything new. We just remind the reader, okay, remind the reader of what has been said earlier. Alright, said earlier. If we repeat the topic, sentence as it is, or you summarize, okay, the major ideas. The major ideas. Finally, all these advantages, you may use the same words of the topic sentence, or even the synonyms, benefits or advantages. All these advantages make hobbies an essential part of our daily life. It means they are necessary, they are useful, and they are also important. Necessary and important. So here is my last part, which is the concluding sentence. So you can take this model of the paragraph, okay, and try to imitate it, using or tackling another topic, okay, of the same nature, alright, of the same nature, maybe benefits of sport, benefits of travel, and so on. Clear? So here we are, okay, our last phase of practice about the paragraph definition, okay, and paragraph form, and also parts. So thanks so much for your attendance, so your attention and attendance also to our session. And see you in our next lesson with more details about every part of the paragraph. Goodbye.